Hey guys, Jack here for Gosal's World, and today we are going to do the unboxing of this one. Yep, the HDMI adapter for the Dreamcast, that one here. I got this here from Nottingham Video Game Expo. So everybody, this is the fourth one out of the fourth, that one here. So personally, I hope everyone's enjoyed the three of the HDMI cables, such as the Mega Drive, that one here. If you didn't see the very first one with a little play of Sonic, please check the video out, really appreciate it. Then follow up, the next one was the SNES and Nintendo 64 HDMI solutions. Both systems went fantastic, I enjoyed it, that one here. But specifically, like we said, 4:3 ratio or 16:9 ratio for one here is still get a good gameplay for one here. If you didn't see that one here, check the video out. And lastly but not least was the PlayStation for one here. Poke it up to my PlayStation 2, so we've seen some actions of PS1 like FIFA 99. The introduction looks so awesome. And then we're on to Ratchet & Clank 2, the introductions. I mean, the graphically looks so icing in the cake. So anyway, if you didn't see that one here, please check the video out. I really appreciate it for the support. So, and I forgot to mention this one, I will make sure to put all the links on each video. So hopefully we'll see which is the right high HDMI cables for better. So keep your eyes peeled. So anyway, so we are going to do this one here. This is the fourth one. I got this for £30. But then I see the owner of Sprite say that we could give all these four HDMIs for £110. So I said that's absolutely fine with me. Now, in this one here, this one here is likely the version of the Kaido HDMI cable solutions, that one here. But apparently, this is called a Bitfunx, that one here, if you can see the title for one here. So, but if not, here we go. So, that's the title for recording for one here. And this one is a very better one. It's a plug-in play. That's right. No USB on the TVs, anything else like that. It's just a simple plug-in play. So, I'll read the description to make sure you mean clearly. The majority of the modern televisions have conventionally VA HDMI and lack some older inputs which retro games consoles use. With the Bitfunx HDMI adapter cable, you can bring your old Sega Dreamcast back to life on a newer TV and relive those gaming classics for a simple plug-and-play solution. So there you go. So this is what is about this one here for the perfect HDMI cable to bring back the Dreamcast days, that one here you love. So I got here, got three little bit of descriptions to show. So we have it's compatible with all modern TVs with the HDMI input. It also has supports both 480i and 480p resolution. Brackets 60 Hz max possible resolution output on the Dreamcast. And finally, compatible with NTSC and PAL TVs, brackets, works worldwide. So, here we go. So, there we go for one there. So, and if you can see here, that, a little bit closely for it, you can see here, that one here it says is a, for a plug-in play, and the green one is cable HDMI needed. So, let's unbox it. So, and nicely, it's cushy, got a nice little box. So we have a nice quick starter guide. So hopefully you can know where you go. And you can do different languaging for one there on wherever you are. So, and here it is. So, here we are. And if you can see a little dot for one here, that's like a little light one to make sure that the system is up and ready to go. Now you're thinking, wait, where's the HDMI cable for this? Well, I will tell you. It's right here. Anyway, that is a little bit easy, and I thought a little bit simple to plug and play. So let's just get this out. So anyway, and like I said, it's very light for one here. It looks really cool. So like I said, it's just really amazing. And then a little quicker guide. So like that. And then now you can connect it to the Dreamcast at the back for it. So anyway, this is really exciting for one here. So hopefully we're going to test it for the first time as well. So I'm going to do is hook it up this little device that one here. And then we'll give it a go. And by the way, I actually see it in person at nottsvge on this one here. And the graphically looks amazingly for one here. So whatever you said, all modern TVs, anywhere it goes, it works perfectly for it. As I've said on the box, it works on NTSCs like in Japan, and PAL TVs works worldwide for it. So any of those on here will be fine. So anyway, let's get straight into the hookup and give this thing the test run. So see you guys in a sec. Okay everybody, everything is now all set up and ready to go. So you can see here the Bitfunx connected to the Dreamcast. So what we're going to do right now is going to fire up this system, and hopefully let's see the beautiful graphically. So keep your eyes peeled for it. So this is what it'll be look like when you... Oh, just look at that. Anyways, I was saying, this is what will be look like when you're not using your like Elgato ports, that one here, Streamlabs, OBS's. I mean, look at that. It's just, look at the graphically on it. It's stone crystal clean. So anyway, so this is what I want to show you. So this is what, if you run it on Streamlabs and OBS. So look like my Streamlabs here. I mean, look at that. And just look at the picture for one here. It looks so cool. I mean, that is absolutely amazingly for one here. You can see that in person. So anyway, I think it's about right now we are going to test it out, one of my favorite games that one here, and see this beautiful graphically gaming play. So we're going to play my favorite one, Soul Calibur. So anyway, let's turn on the system and let's see what comes out with. Ooh, that's really nicely. And if it was in person, you will absolutely loved it. That one here. I mean, running 60 Hz that one here on any old TV, works on all regional, NTSC, PALs, works absolutely great for one here. So, again, look at that. This is absolutely caught in your eyes here, ladies and gentlemen. Really is. Oh, yes. Loved it. And again, for one here, it's smooth, very nicely performed it very well. But yeah, I will say this is just an absolutely icing in the cake. It really is. So right, Sprite, thank you so much for one there. So that's 4 for 4. But anyway, hopefully if you got any info tips on Elgato's like settings for one here, make sure just drop down in comments and I'll really appreciate it for that. But I tell you what, it's a yes for me for one here. But the good news, like I said, runs on OBS and Streamlabs very well for one here. If this were a little bit more brightness on my TV, then I could have that to perfect graphically HD. It really is. But like I said, absolutely awesome. And now, let's get into this beautiful song one. And again, it's very quickly because of HD graphically. Yes. Oh my god. Yes. Yes indeed. Let's get a little bit for the gameplay for it and then we'll call it a day. Anyway, let's pick a character. Let's pick my favorite, Mitsurugi. So let's have a look and see this gameplay. Oh, yes. Oh yes, this is brilliant. Let's continue. Look at that. That is absolutely amazing. Here we go. Look at it closely. It looks so awesome. Really, really is. Anyway. What can I say about it? Really is fantastic. So right, Sprite, thank you so much for doing that for one here. It looks great for one here. Like I said, works on LBS, Streamlabs, that one here, and hopefully, if you found settings on how to do the Elgato for one here, like recordings, I really appreciate it if you could let me know for one here. So anyway, what's your thoughts on the unboxing we have for one here for HDMI for the Dreamcast? Don't forget to drop a big like for the video. Drop down comments below your thoughts on the action, the unboxing and the testing you see before. Don't forget to click punch for the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications to see more videos very soon. Till then, this is Jack here. See ya.